Here, many people see this expression as 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 when divided by 3. When right here, they consider this and they consider this. 3 divided by 3, that gives 1. When divided by 3 divided by 3, that gives 1. When right here, 1 divided by 1, that is 1. But this answer is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now, to get this right, we are going to have this. This expression can simply be expressed as, you need to put this numerator expression in parentheses first. We have into 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 then divided by 3. And at this point, according to the PEMDAS rule, we are going to first of all consider the expression in the parentheses first. When as such, we are going to simplify this. And right here, we are going to apply KCF, which K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. This implies that we are going to keep this first value 3. When we change the sign to multiplication, we flip 3. We change the sign to multiplication, we flip 3. Now, this expression becomes 3 multiplied by 1 all over 3 multiplied by 1 all over 3 then divided by 3. At this point, you can see that 3 here will eliminate this 3 and we have 1 over 3 when divided by 3. And right here, we are going to apply KCF here again. We are going to keep this expression right here. We've changed the sign to multiplication and we flip this and we have 1 all over 3 multiplied by 1 all over 3. If we multiply this out, 1 times 1, that will give us 1. Then 3 times 3, that will give us 9. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.